Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen from cow bones. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace. You will need fresh, clean cow bones, a large stock pot, and some apple cider vinegar. The process involves several key steps, including thorough cleaning, an acidic soak, and a long, slow simmer. Following these steps carefully will help you extract a rich, nutritious, collagen-rich broth right in your own kitchen. Proper bone preparation is crucial for a successful collagen extraction. Begin by cleaning your cow bones meticulously, ensuring all meat, fat, and marrow are removed. If you have very large bones, chop them into smaller pieces, about 2 to 3 inches long, to maximize surface area. Next, soak the cleaned bones in a solution of water and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. This helps draw out minerals. Now it's time to simmer your bones to extract the collagen. Place all the prepared bones into a large stock pot and cover them completely with fresh water. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the pot. This further aids in mineral and collagen extraction. Bring the water to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours, skimming any foam that rises to the surface. Once your bones have simmered for the recommended time, it's time to finish the process. Carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into clean containers, discarding all the cooked bones and solids. Allow the liquid to cool completely, then refrigerate it. As it chills, it should set into a gelatinous consistency, indicating successful collagen extraction. Store your homemade collagen in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.